Hello again, friends. We're back for another exciting adventure with more words to learn from the world around us. Today, we'll explore fun things we see outside, in the city, in nature, and even at home. Are you ready? Let's begin. A squirrel. Look at that little creature running up the tree. It's a squirrel. Squirrels love to climb and nibble on nuts. Let's spell it together. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. The squirrel is in the tree, but on the road, we see a bright yellow taxi. Taxis take people to different places. Let's spell it. T-A-X-I. Taxi. T-A-X-I. Taxi. T-A-X-I. Taxi. Road signs. Taxis follow road signs to know where to go. Road signs tell us when to stop, go, or turn. Say it with me. R-O-A-D-S-I-G-N-S. Road signs. R-O-A-D-S-I-G-N-S. Road signs. R-O-A-D-S-I-G-N-S. Road signs. Motorway. Some road signs point to the motorway. A motorway is a fast road where cars travel quickly. Let's spell it. M-O-T-O-R-W-A-Y. Motorway. M-O-T-O-R-W-A-Y. Motorway. M-O-T-O-R-W-A-Y. Motorway. Look. The motorway goes through a tunnel. A tunnel is a long, dark passage under a hill or river. Let's say it. T-U-N-N-E-L. Tunnel. T-U-N-N-E-L. Tunnel. T-U-N-N-E-L. Tunnel. After a long journey, let's stop at a cozy coffee shop. People come here to drink coffee, tea, and chat. Let's spell it. C-O-F-F-E-S-H-O-P. Coffee shop. C-O-F-F-E-S-H-O-P. Coffee shop. C-O-F-F-E-S-H-O-P. Coffee shop. Inside the coffee shop, an old lady is knitting a warm scarf. Knitting is a way to make clothes using yarn. Say it with me. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. Knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. Knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. Knitting. Outside the city, there's a big vineyard. A vineyard is a farm where grapes grow. Let's spell it. V-I-N-E-Y-A-R-D. Vineyard. V-I-N-E-Y-A-R-D. Vineyard. V-I-N-E-Y-A-R-D. Vineyard. The workers at the vineyard wear a shirt to stay cool while picking grapes. Say it with me. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. After picking the grapes, they put them in a fruit basket. A fruit basket holds apples, oranges, bananas, and more. Let's spell it. F-R-U-I-T-B-A-S-K-E-T. Fruit basket. F-R-U-I-T-B-A-S-K-E-T. Fruit basket. F-R-U-I-T-B-A-S-K-E-T. Fruit basket. Look, a family is taking their fruit basket to have a picnic. A picnic is when we eat outside in a park. Say it with me. P-I-C-N-I-C. Picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. Picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. Picnic. There are beautiful flowers near the picnic spot. Flowers make the world colorful. Let's spell it. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Someone is taking pictures of the flowers with a camera. Cameras help us save memories. Say it with me. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Over there, two people are playing chess. Chess is a game with black and white pieces. Let's spell it. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Nearby, a child is reading a storybook. Storybooks take us on magical adventures. Say it with me. S-T-O-R-Y-B-O-O-K. Storybook. S-T-O-R-Y-B-O-O-K. Storybook. S-T-O-R-Y-B-O-O-K. Storybook. Look up in the sky. Someone is using a parachute. A parachute helps people float down safely from the air. Let's spell it. P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E. Parachute. P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E. Parachute. P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E. Parachute. Wow. The wind is strong today. Perfect for flying a kite. Kites dance in the sky on windy days. Say it with me. K-I-T. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. The kite is flying over a big field. A field is a wide, open space full of grass. Let's spell it. F-I-E-L-D. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Wow. We learned so many exciting new words today. Next time you go outside, try to find a squirrel, a road sign, or a coffee shop. Did you have fun? Let us know by liking this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss Volume 4. See you next time.